John Bona here. Welcome to the Story of Liberty. Like other Virginia communities, this community of Bedford, Virginia provided a company of soldiers known as Company A to the 29th Infantry Division. 30 Bedford soldiers were still in that company on D-Day, the famous D-Day, June 6, 1944. And several more from Bedford, Virginia were in other D-Day companies. You know, by the end of the day, June 6, 1944, 19 Bedford soldiers were killed in action defending our freedom. 2 more Bedford soldiers died later in the Normandy campaign to alleviate the Nazi regime. Proportionally, this community suffered the nation's most D-Day losses right here, Bedford, Virginia. Recognizing Bedford as emblematic of all communities, large and small, whose citizen soldiers, these were citizens, they were soldiers, they served on D-Day. So Congress established this beautiful national D-Day memorial right here. Now you may want to remember this the next time you hear the national anthem. You know, if you participate in athletics, whether you're an amateur or professional athlete, you're a football player, you might remember the real heroes right here who made the greatest sacrifice for your freedom, for my freedom, so you could play a game. See, playing a game doesn't make you a real hero. I know that, I play football. These men whom we remember here died for our freedom, the greatest sacrifice. And they're remembered here at this great D-Day memorial. They're the real heroes. Respect them, honor them. Stand with your hand over your heart during the national anthem and the Pledge of Allegiance. Anyone who chooses, in my opinion, if you choose to kneel or hide in a locker room, you're disrespecting the real heroes here and their memory. Don't do it. Be a man and honor those who served in the past and currently serve this great nation of ours. God bless you, and thank you for joining us, The Story of Liberty.